Good evening. In this video, you'll be seeing different days, kung ano yung mga naging ganap ko sa mga araw na yon. So this is going to be the intro of this weekly vlogmas since it's already December. I hope you guys will enjoy watching this vlog. Diretso na tayo sa vlog.
Hey guys, so I'm here at E-Space Pilates and Physio. I'm just waiting for Ate Kisses na dumating kasi we scheduled the class at 6 p.m. Ito yung studio here sa Dahlia. Even though malapit lang siya sa amin, the only problem is ang traffic. Pero anyways, may meeting din kasi kami mamaya. Pasok na siguro kasi ang init eh. Ay mag-aayos ang din ako saglit.
Just a quick update. Tapos na ako guys. Hinihintay ko na lang si Kiam. Hindi pa siya lumalabas. Baka tulog.
1, 2, 3. Last one, 1, 2, 3. Harapay mo ka, tita. Yan! Hold lang ha. Huwag kang gagalaw, tita. 1, 2, 3.
Oh. Game, right na.
Charity Philippines from San Isidro, Labrador.
Hey guys, and good evening. For tonight's vlog, I will be running. I've been doing this for weeks na. I think mas na-enjoy ko kasi mag-run or mag-walk tuwing gabi. Kasi first of all, it's already December, so malamig na. Second of all, walang tao. I feel like mas peaceful. Guys, don't forget na mag-stretch kayo ng body. Yung warm-up ko is naglalakad lang ako. So already at 6:22 p.m. Maybe I'll start running by 6:30 p.m. para ma-warm up lang yung katawan ko. Because we all need that, lalo na kapag nag-exercise or nag-workout. This has been part of my routine since I'm unemployed. Ito yung ginagawa ko just to make me sane. I think running is not just for the body, it's also for your mind. I'm also using Strava. Girl, nakakahingal pala magsalita habang naglalakad. Tapos medyo uphill yung dinadaan. Based sa mga records ko sa Strava, pinakamataas ko na record was 3 km. Kasi if you guys know, I'm sick internally. Kaya I'm getting back on track. Nung ankylosing spondylitis ako, hindi pa ako nakapag-workout noon kasi during that time, nag-recover pa ako. Naghintay pa kasi ako ng medicine ko noon. Kaya ngayon, na somehow, I'm okay now. Naglalakad-lakad ako para lang din may movement. Ever since umuwi ako ng Philippines, I would say na hindi ko pa siya accepted at that time. Pero life happens, guys. Kung ano man yung obstacle na binibigay sa atin ni Lord, let's just accept it. Kasi lahat naman ng problem, there's always solution. Kaya laban lang. Feeling ko, ang lakas ng boses ko dahil nagsasalita ako. Medyo malapit na ako sa finish line. Pag bumalik na ako, tatakbo na ako. Yun yung last stop ko. I'll start running. Let's go, guys! Hirap pala nagve-video ng nagjo-jogging or nagre-run. Pero go lang. Ginusto ko to eh. No one will motivate you except yourself. Wait lang, pass muna tayo, B. Kasi daanan to na sasakyan. Ayan. Kailangan natin bumalik sa bahay mga 6:50. So already 6:40 p.m. Siyempre kailangan natin tumingin to left and right kung may tumadaan. Baka masagasaan tayo. Hindi pa natin afford yun. Ramdam nyo na ba yung hingal ko? Makaka 30 minutes na ako. Yun lang naman ginagawa ko lagi. 30-minute walk/run. May nakita pa akong aso guys. Actually siya yung natakot, hindi ako. Whew. Pagod. Lakad mo na. Masaya tumakbo guys. Ano mas gusto nyo? Tumatakbo sa umaga or sa gabi? Comment down below. Medyo malapit na tayo guys. 6:46 naman na. 4 minutes na lang. Then after this, I'll go home na. Ngayon ko lang pala kayo nasama sa running era. At least, diba, you get to see it. It's already 6:48 p.m. So 2 minutes left.
It's already 9:13 p.m. Life update. Ever since uwi ako ng Pinas, I've been looking for a job, and right now, still, I don't have a job. Actually, ang dami ko na rin naging interviews. Last interview ko was last week or first week of December. Naiinip na ako eh. To be honest guys naiinip ako in a way na wala akong ginagawa sa bahay. Ginagawa ko lang household chores. Tapos nilalabas ko yung aso namin in the morning and in the evening. So basically, ako yung tumutulong dito sa bahay. So feeling ko parang nakakulong ako doon sa ganong situation. Hindi ko alam actually nararamdaman ko. Parang stagnant pa rin ang buhay ko. I don't know, ganito ba siguro yung thoughts kapag unemployed ka? Feeling ko bubble lang ako. I'm still young. I'm 26 years old. Siyempre marami pa rin akong gustong goals na ma-achieve in life. Maybe this is normal sa mga 20s. Yun lang yung mga thoughts ko, random thoughts ko nowadays. Since patapos na rin yung taon. Siguro if I look back, dami ko naman actually na-achieve this year. I mean, dami ring changes, may growth, I learned a lot. Wala lang, gusto ko lang mag-rant. Sobrang random na ng mga pinagsasabi ko dito. One last na din siguro. I promise to myself na ma-achieve ko yung goal ko, which is maging content creator. Talagang ipapush na natin to guys. Mas maging active, mag-upload sa YouTube or other social media platforms. Aside from, gusto ko talagang maging flight attendant B. Talagang fantasy ko yun. Bye-bye guys. I'll see you on my next vlog. Or on my next one. Bye!